What's going on, everyone? So we're going to do a little video here, intraday. We're going to look at the Nasdaq 100, the triple Qs ETF. So down 2.5% on the day, 8 points on today's session. So realistically, right out of the gates, we kind of spiked higher. I kind of posted this chart in the Discord yesterday. The bullish zone, the long zone, the chop zone, demand zone, and the short zone, kind of just to give a little brief overview. Definitely, if you guys are looking for these kind of levels intraday, join that Discord. That link is down in the description box below. But what I want to point out here is that that 330.25 level has acted as an area of support for multiple hours now. And one of the things that I kind of noted is that, if we do start to break below that level, it could be a potential short below 330.25. Obviously dropped down to lows today of around 328.96. So gave yourself about a dollar move, 1.5 points worth of downside there for all you day traders and scalpers. Definitely, you can hold that position short as long as we can see $330 act as a bit of a supply zone. I would imagine that we've now cracked below this 330 area. That just due to the fact that we had so much support there previously in the after hours session from the gap down, that it's going to act as a little bit of mini supply. So you're going to get really, really choppy in that area, and anything under 330 is, a next potential leg down to kind of sort of test those, recent all-time lows on the triple Qs. Definitely between 330 and 334 is going to be a little bit of a choppier area that you're going to need to stay away from. 334, 335 was acting as an area of support, which could be a new area of supply, meaning that because it's acted as an area of support in the past, going back to Friday and Thursday session, this could now start to turn into a level of resistance. So if we do get any sort of bounce between today and tomorrow's session, and we do start pushing back into that 332, 334 area, just know that if you are long, you're going to want to clear up some profits right around that area. Definitely the biggest zone that we've had, multiple day zone, is that 338 to 345 area. So if we were able to get back over 338, 339, you could definitely play it long as we hold 338. But just understand that that area is going to be an extreme chop zone, meaning you're going to get big swings up followed by big swings down. So as long as we're holding 338, you can definitely hold that position long, and any breakthrough of 338, definitely have a short position down to 334. For me personally, I would not start to get extremely bullish on tech stocks until the Nasdaq 100 can get back into the upper portion of this range, which is going to be $345. And obviously the 350 area is still the level that we're going to need to clear out. If we want to see some sort of significant bounce and we want to get some sort of bullish momentum going, Nasdaq 100 are going to need to regain those 20 points and get back over 350 on a daily close. Now we are 20 points below that, so it's going to be a lot of work before that gets done. Right now, the way that the market is setting up, it's pretty much you're shorting the pops on this market. So to all newer traders, what you can do is kind of sit back when the market is bouncing and then just kind of pick your spots at those rejection points at supply, or kind of take your short positions through the lows. So right now, current lows, that 330 area is definitely that short position. If we do start to reclaim the 330 area today, which, right now Nasdaq's giving about $1 bounce as we're speaking intraday at 9:41 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Anything over 330.25 is going to give you room back into that 332. Definitely 332 is going to act as a form of resistance. So the whole point that I'm trying to make is that the bounces are going to look nice. They're going to be significant, but the problem is that they're going to be short-lived until the Nasdaq 100, the triple Qs, start to really reclaim levels of supply. They're just dead cat bounces. We really can't be looking to try to buy every single stock that gives a little bit of a reversal bounce with so much overhead hanging supply. Right now, the momentum is still to the downside. So even though we are getting a little bit of a bounce on the triple Qs right now, we've breached the 330 level. So anytime we've breached a level of support, we can expect a bounce, a back test, some sort of little short-term reversal, and then that next wave is going to normally be the big leg down. And right now, that $328.96 is that new low. And if we get any sort of bounce, we get a rejection at 332, and you see us start to crack below the 328.96, I would expect a large leg down from that point, at least multiple point run to the downside. And you would kind of need to zoom out to a bigger time frame to kind of see your next level of support. Obviously, we have the recent lows of 317.45 as our absolute kind of rock hard demand zone. I mean, definitely, would want to be taking profits on the way down. I would not expect to see, a 10-15 point decline, in the next 1 to 2 days. I would expect a little bit of a bounce, but just kind of know where you're sitting at on the chart. Guys, if you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live, like I said, join that Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys all in the next trading video.